on my lane, you all on my lane. You ain't overlooked, so get out the way. I gave you the book, I gave you the game. The boy gotta cook, the boy got a flame, Serving in the kitchen like you Nino. Plenty bitchin', whipping different flavors like a bistro. Kick it, dip it, flip it, keep it hunting like a C-note. Switch and keep it pimpin' every single place that he go. I got it. Lathan got the flame, Lathan got the flame. Boy, you know the name, get up out the way. Lathan got the flame, Lathan got the flame. Stay up out the kitchen if you ain't the one that's whipping, huh? Hey, yo, Lathan, man, cook them boys up something real quick, man.
What's going on, Bistro family? Welcome back to my channel. Now today we got the most amazing chimichurri sauce. So the first thing I'm gonna do is get you some extra virgin olive oil, some red wine vinegar, a shallot, or you could use a onion as well, followed by a lemon, and then you're gonna get some garlic. And with the lemon, make sure you use that zest as well, and then some parsley. But if you want to use 2 herbs like cilantro as well, you can use that as well. But go ahead and get your shallot cut down, and we're gonna just dice that up. I have a video for a traditional chimichurri. It's my very first video that I ever put up. So if you need a traditional recipe, go check out that video. But this recipe right here is kind of like a remake and my style of making it. So go ahead and get your shallot cut up, your garlic cut up. We're gonna cut that lemon in half. Now remember, we are gonna zest that lemon as well. And then get your parsley shaved off of the stems. Get rid of those stems, those are very bitter. You just want the leaves when it comes to the parsley. But go ahead and get that cut down. And I'm just using 1 bunch, and this made about 1.5 cups of chimichurri sauce, which will last you for a long time. So once I got my shallot, my garlic, and my parsley in a bowl, I went ahead and zested my lemon and went ahead and juiced the whole lemon. And then I'm adding in about 1/4 cup each of red wine vinegar, followed by extra virgin olive oil. And the reason I'm doing that because I'm going to use this chimichurri as a marinade. I'm going to use it as a topping. I'm going to use it in multiple uses. So I wanted to have extra, and I wanted it to be extra loose and wet because as a marinade, you know that oil will be that catalyst to transfer those flavors into whatever I put it on. So, but yeah, man, there you have it. Very simple recipe, and we're going to use this chimichurri in some of our other recipes going forward. So I just want to show you guys how to make the sauce before we started working on them recipes. Like, comment, share, subscribe. Chimichurri Sauce from the Bistro. I'll catch you guys next week. I'm out.